Hi, it's Ed Kaminsky, and welcome to 3203 Vista Drive in Manhattan Beach. I want to give you the inside scoop on this property. It's not something you've seen before. This is not that cookie cutter Manhattan Beach home that's put up on every corner. It's different, it's unique, it's fun. What's amazing though, is this priced at $4.2 million. That's almost $1 million less than the smaller townhomes have been selling for in the area. That's incredible. It's over 3,000 square feet. It has an elevator. It's got a lower level basement, which is great for a home theater. You have ocean views that are here right now, and you're walking distance to some of the greatest shops in Manhattan Beach, and restaurants, and coffee. And it's really just a perfect match for anybody who's been shopping in this range. So if you haven't seen this home, I would get here quick because someone's gonna get a really great value. The one thing that you're gonna also notice about this home is it has contemporary architecture. This top floor is one great open space, as you can see right behind me, a tremendous entertaining space to a beautiful kitchen, and I'm standing on this massive outside deck. And probably the greatest feature that people really love when you're living in the sand section is a place to park. This house has a 3-car garage, a unique bonus for a 31 to almost 3,200 square foot home. If you want to see this home, call me, text me, we'll get you in right away. Come on down and take a look. We'll see you here.